Dear students, previously we have learned about sentences, and we say that a sentence must contain a subject and a verb, so a sentence needs a verb. But there are different types of verbs. Some verbs show actions. This kind of verb describe movement or change. The verb in these two sentences about Mickey are action verbs. They tell what Mickey does. You can see Mickey in action. In the first example, Mickey drives a convertible. So this drive shows the action that Mickey is doing. And in the second sentence, she talks. You can see she is the subject and talk is the verb, and it's because our subject is in singular form, our verb takes an extra s. So in both cases we can see the action happening. Verbs do not always describe action, so this is not always the case. Some verbs are different, they behave differently, they serve a different purpose. The verbs in these two sentences about Mickey do not describe any movement or change. They are non-action verbs. In this picture, Mickey is not doing anything. So if you see, these verbs only show state. They're called state verbs. Like a very simple sentence, we say I'm Ahmad, or I'm Mahmoud, or I'm a student, or I am from Afghanistan. So all of these sentences with the verb to be don't show an action. They just show a state, but they are verbs. Mickey is a student. It shows a state and it doesn't show any action. Because is not an action verb, it is a state verb. It's one form of the verb to be. She has friends at school. Again, it shows a state. I have a laptop. I have two brothers. So in all of these instances, you can see that the verb does not refer to an action, but it refers to a state. We have a very small exercise here. It's very easy. You just have to circle the verb in each sentence. It doesn't matter whether it is an action verb or a state verb. What you have to do is you have to just circle the verb. The first one is done. I have a cell phone. So you can see after the subject the verb have has been used. And in the second instance, I make calls to my friends every day. So I the subject, make is the verb. Circle make. We have one more exercise here. This is also a very interesting exercise. Let's see what it is asking us to do. Work alone or with a partner. Write 6 statements. Use words from the box. Use all 6 verbs. What you have to do is you have subjects here, you have verbs here, and you also have the complement. You just have to make sentences. The first one is done. My roommate. This subject has been selected. Then has, a verb has been selected from here. Then a complement has been selected, a new computer. So let me make one more sentence. I will choose, let's say he eats fish. So now if I were to write, I would write it like this: he eats fish. Or if I wanted to make another sentence, I would select my friend has a big family. Okay, my friend has a big family. Like this you have to make sentences. Please write your sentences and send them as a message, or you can just write all the sentences and send as a PDF file or a Word file. I'm looking forward to your responses. Have a nice day. Thank you very much.